Good morning, students. It's me, Shana Parveen, your biology teacher. We are here to continue chapter number 6, natural resources. And you all know that everything that surrounds us is collectively termed as the environment. And the environment acts as a life support system for us, since it is from the environment that we get food to eat, water to drink, air to breathe, and all other requirements of our day-to-day life. Life on the planet Earth is dependent on many factors like resources available on Earth, energy from the sun, etc. The different resources available on the Earth are land, water, and air. All of these three things are required for the existence of life forms. And what is biosphere and natural resources? Biosphere means regions of earth crust and atmosphere occupied by the living organism. Biosphere can be divided into three physical divisions: land, lithosphere, water or hydrosphere, and air or atmosphere. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere, the outer crust of the earth, is lithosphere, which is solid crust of the earth, which we call land. Its upper weathered part forms the soil. Second one is hydrosphere. 75% of the earth's surface is covered with water. This water along with underground water comprises the hydrosphere. Earth's surface covered with water in the forms of seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, impoundments, reservoirs, dams, etc. Underground water is another component of the hydrosphere. The another one is atmosphere. The air covering of earth is called atmosphere. It is a blanket of air that covers the whole earth. And that's another biosphere, the life supporting zone of the earth where the atmosphere, hydrosphere and the lithosphere interact and make life possible is known as the biosphere. World Environment Day, 5th June, we celebrate. And the biosphere has two types of components, biotic and abiotic. Living beings constitute the biotic component of the biosphere. Air, water and soil from the non-living or abiotic component of the biosphere. Both type of these provide resources to meet the basic needs of life forms. However, the energy required for supporting these life forms is ultimately obtained from sun. Sun's energy is used in synthesis of food for all living beings. And the types of natural resources are two types of main natural resources: inexhaustible and exhaustible. And exhaustible again divided into two parts: renewable and non-renewable. What are natural resources? Natural resources are living and non-living components of nature which are used by humans to meet their requirements. Since natural resources are available only from the earth, they are called earth resources. Based on their abundance, natural resources are of the two main types: inexhaustible and exhaustible. Inexhaustible natural resources are natural resources which occur in such abundance that they are not likely to get exhausted despite continuous use. Example: air, water and solar energy. The second one is exhaustible natural resources, and the few examples of exhaustible natural resources are: they are the natural resources which are available in limited quantity and they may to get depleted by continuous and indiscriminate human consumption. Exhaustible resources are of two kinds: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable sources are exhaustible sources which get replenished regularly. These include both living and non-living resources which can replenish themselves by quick recycling. Example: forest, wildlife, soil and underground water. And the renewable resources can last for over if they are used responsibly. And the second one is non-renewable resources are exhaustible resources which once used cannot be replenished. Thus these resources are non-living and cannot replenish themselves by recycling and replacement. If not used carefully, they will ultimately get exhausted. Their increased consumption results in quicker exhaustion. Example: minerals, fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum. As we can difference between the renewable and non-renewable resources. The renewable resources such as underground water, forest, and wildlife, if not managed properly, can become non-renewable. Since the formation of soil takes thousands of years and is not renewable in the lifespan of many generations of human beings, so it is thought of as a renewable resources. And the biotic component, as I already told you, these are two types of components. And your topic is finished now, and if you have any query you can ask by the call or the messages. So goodbye.